Hiru is smart. Its on-chip technology allows it to work with multiple operating systems and implement remote updates. IRISBOND's team is always making improvements, so you'll want to keep Hiru up to date. To do so, use Systray. To use Systray, just download and follow the installation steps. Once installed, Systray's blue icon will appear on your Windows device's taskbar. Check that your Focus Assistant is turned off and the Windows notifications for Systray are turned on. This can be done from the control panel of your device. Now, all you'll need to do is plug in Hiru. Wait 10 seconds and click Systray's Check Update section. If you have one available, the installation will download as soon as you click Update. Leave Hiru plugged in for a few minutes after, while the update completes.